folks, I have a really cool 5-string banjo to show you today. This is number 816. It's all curly cherry and Texas ebony, and it was a pleasure to work on. The rim has got, you know, the curly cherry here, Texas ebony more cherry, the little brass tone ring on the top. It's got non-steel strings. It's got armrest here. Really cool neck. 5-piece neck, and then Texas ebony all up front here. That's a wood that comes from Mexico and Texas. It's really hard to get in big enough pieces to work with. I bought some from the when a builder retired, and when I use it up, I'm not going to be able to get any more. But it's really nice to work with. Also cherry and Texas ebony bridge, goatskin head. It's got some initials there. Is that upside down for you? I can't figure it out. Can't figure out what's upside down with the camera facing the way it is. Oh gosh. Well, anyway, it's right side up to me when I look at it. It's been a long month. Yeah. Yeah, this is a really nice banjo. So when it comes to the cherry and ebony combo, it's just been going well the last 3 or 4 years. It's a nice look and it's a nice sound with the kind of medium density of the cherry and then the harder Texas ebony for the trim. So it gives a big, loud, vibrant banjo, but not too bright. I really like it. So anyway, that is number 816. Cheers.